Redwood class, it's me, Alistair, from some of the other videos, and today I'm going to be showing you, that's right, you, how to make a cup of tea. Now I've just been at school and I feel very, very thirsty and tired, so I'm going to be making myself a cup of tea. So firstly, to start off with, we have to get the ingredients. Firstly, a cup, right important. A spoon to stir it with. Some tea bags, which are very important, and some milk. Also here we've got some boiling water, so we have to be very, very, very careful in case we burn ourselves. So let's start, shall we? Firstly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the tea. I'm going to put a tea bag in here. Now, some people like to put the boiling water in first, then put the tea bag in, but I prefer to do it the other way. Right, so let's close that. Next, the boiling water, right, so this can be a bit dangerous, so it is quite important that you have an adult with you. So, right, let's pour it very carefully. There. There we go, I poured it, so that's the important thing. Now, some people like a very strong tea, some people like it light, but me, I quite like it strong, I like my coffee black. Another thing that people do is squeeze the tea bag so that you get all the tea herbs out. Alright, okay, so I've done that quite firmly. Then put it in a safe place because it's very, very hot. Move that to one side. Now for the milk. Sometimes if you put too much milk in, it can be very milky and it's not very nice. But you can put too little milk in, and then that'll make it, a bit strong. So we're gonna have to pour a medium amount. So just be careful. Alright, just put a little bit more. Right, and then we give it a stir. Big old stir. And there you have it. The perfect cup of tea after a long day at work. Cheers.